Moving heavy objects can be one of the trickiest tasks during a home move, but it doesn't have to be stressful or unsafe. Welcome to our channel, where today, we'll reveal smart and simple techniques for moving large items quickly and safely. Whether you're handling furniture, appliances, or bulky boxes, these tips will save your back, your time, and your floor. Stay tuned for practical advice that ensures your next move is a breeze. First up, rollers. These are a lifesaver for heavy items. Simply place your object on the roller, keep it centered, and gently push it forward while maintaining a straight back. Rollers work on all kinds of surfaces, including carpet, tile, and concrete. It's a game changer for effortless movement without scratching your floors. Next, consider using a ramp. A sturdy ramp helps you slide or roll heavy items with ease. Ensure it's secure before use, and take your time to carefully guide your item up and down the slope. Safety first. Don't underestimate the power of a dolly or hand truck. These tools make transporting large items much simpler. Just load the object, keep it stable, and move with caution, especially on stairs or uneven terrain. Most hardware stores offer rentals, so you don't have to invest in one for a single move. Need to lift something extra heavy? Lifting straps evenly distribute weight and make lifting easier while reducing the risk of strain. They are perfect for larger items, and options like ratchet straps even lock objects securely in place. Always follow the instructions and choose straps suited to your needs. Here's another pro tip. Disassemble bulky items and remove any detachable components like shelves or drawers. This reduces the weight and prevents damage during transport. And instead of tape, opt for plastic wrap to secure items. It's stronger, safer, and keeps everything intact during the move. Lastly, don't forget the basics. Wear the right shoes for grip and balance, and use the proper lifting posture. Keep your back straight, bend your knees, and lift with your legs, not your back. Remember, safety starts with how you move. By using these techniques, you can move heavy objects quickly, efficiently, and safely, whether it's a DIY move or part of a big relocation. For a stress-free experience, trust professionals like Harry the Mover, Melbourne's best removalists. With years of expertise, they'll make your move smoother than ever. Ready to tackle your next move? Start smart, stay safe, and keep moving forward. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips.